Hello, can you make good money scrapping metal? Yes, you can make really good money scrapping metal. Have you ever heard the saying, one man's trash is another in another man's treasure? I'm sure there have been different versions of that saying over the years. One thing is certain, no matter how you say it, there is truth in it. I'm going to share with you just more than 40 ideas and explain how you can make good money scrapping metal. Many products containing metal components get thrown away when there is no longer use to people. Rusty pots and pans get tossed in the trash. Metal furniture gets left in the alley. Old bicycles get taken apart and disposed of, and more. Metals end up taking space in landfills instead of being used to create new products. That is unfortunate because metal is more durable than a lot of other materials and can be recycled repeatedly without losing quality. Scrap metal recycling also reduces waste and conserves energy and natural resources. For example, it requires a lot less energy to remit steel scrap than to create new products from raw materials. Reusing scrap metal also conserves landfill space. Okay, so today is a perfect time to recycle surplus metal into metal surplus projects or metal surplus creations with terminology like vintage, retro, recycled, and eco friendly showing up everywhere. It is easy to see people want meaningful connections between the past and present. Mixing metal and woods create a vintage retro style which is being displayed in restaurants, people's homes and lofts, and the workplace, and used in artwork, etc. These pieces offer nostalgia that allows a person to walk down memory lane. Surplus metal can be used for a wide variety of purposes around the house and at your business. Here in this video are some ideas for metal surplus projects and metal surplus creations. Check out these beautiful metal DIY ideas. I love working with metal. It can be used for an industrial look or a farmhouse look, and each project is more fun than the next. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more amazing DIY videos. Keep visiting the channel. Thank you for watching.